Balmain is a brand synonymous with luxury and elegant timepieces that exude beauty, confidence, and masterful craftsmanship. Some of our favorite pieces from this collection are the Balmain Moonphase Swiss-made analog watch for women. A perfect fusion of style and functionality, this women's analog watch is sure to make a style statement. It has a white round dial protected by scratch-resistant sapphire glass and a crown for time adjustment. The stainless steel strap comes in a two-tone hue that further elevates the look of the timekeeper. With diamond embellishments, quartz movement, 50-meter water resistance, and three-hand functionality, the elegant look of this watch is completed with a butterfly with pusher's clasp to ensure a secure fit on the wrist. Next is the Balmain Elegance Oval Watch for women. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a captivating rose gold PVD coating, the oval-shaped case exudes a sense of sophistication. The watch is adorned with scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, ensuring clarity and protection. With water resistance rating of 50 meters, it's suitable for daily wear. The quartz movement, powered by the reliable ETA 980.153 caliber, guarantees precise timekeeping. The dial features a mother-of-pearl design. With its blend of style, functionality, and Swiss precision, this watch is the perfect accessory.